So one of the biggest questions I get asked about affiliate marketing is how do we get people to click on our links? A lot of people think that they can just jump on social media and immediately make a sale. And although I wish it was that easy, there are a few steps that you need to take in order to build that know, like and trust factor with your audience before you can make any kind of commissions. There are a few different ways that you can do this: educational content, inspiring content, or entertaining content. Not only that, but you need to know who your target audience is and who you are speaking to, what problems they have, and how you can offer them a solution. You need to take that information and put that into your content. The biggest thing that helped me when I started on my affiliate marketing journey was storytelling content. Jumping on social media, telling my story, my experience, my pain points, and being relatable. Building that trust with the person on the other side of the screen. I'll be the first person to tell you, if you're not connecting with your audience, then they are not going to trust you enough to click on your link and buy a product. So if you're ready to put in the work, comment ready below and I'll send you a free video to the same course that taught me all the skills. Thanks guys.